Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious steak in a stainless steel pan using an easy method. First, select a steak about 1.5 inches thick. Before cooking, it is crucial to pat your steak completely dry with paper towels. Then, season it generously on all sides with coarse salt and freshly ground black pepper. This preparation ensures a fantastic crust and even cooking. Now let's get that perfect sear. Place your stainless steel pan over medium-high heat and let it get very hot. You want to see a slight shimmer. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of a high smoke point oil, like grapeseed or avocado oil. Carefully place your seasoned steak into the hot pan and sear for 2 to 3 minutes per side. This creates that incredible, flavorful crust. After searing, reduce the heat to medium-low. Add 2 tablespoons of butter to the pan, along with aromatics such as smashed garlic cloves and fresh rosemary or thyme. As the butter melts, tilt the pan slightly and continuously baste the steak with the flavorful butter for about 3 to 5 minutes. This infuses the steak with incredible depth of flavor and helps it cook evenly. The final and arguably most important step is resting. Remove your steak from the pan and place it on a cutting board or plate. Let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This crucial resting period allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and juicy. Finally, slice your perfectly cooked steak against the grain and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.